What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on the brand new Done For You campaigns and the brand new Team DeAngelo site that's coming out. So now that I got my own CPA network and is up and running the way that I wanted to, I can now make Done For You campaigns. Now, the reason I stopped making Done For You campaigns it's been a while since I made a Done For You campaign. I've just been running them myself, and I've been having a few people that I'll give them to whatnot, then they can run them on the Oryx network or whatever. But the reason I stopped making them for a long time, for like publicly where anybody can just go and buy them, is mainly because I lost millions of dollars. And when I say millions, I literally lost millions of dollars selling these Done For You campaigns and stuff. And don't get me wrong, I love helping people out and all that fun stuff. But again, when you lose money, especially millions, it's like, maybe I should reevaluate a few things or whatnot. So now that I got my own CPA network, I can create my own campaigns, and then I can create Done For You campaigns for those. Then from there, people can run them, and I'll still make money. Versus if I just create Done For You campaigns for other offers, then once that person buys a course for like a few $100, they go on to make $500,000 or a couple 100,000 or even 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000. I just got like $500. The CPA network probably made like at least 100K because they up here charging shaving super hard. The affiliate just made a nice chunk of money, and I just got the 500 over here. Like, well, I help people out. So it's like all that money should be going back to the Oryx network or whatnot. So now again, I can create my own Done For You campaign. So it should be ready in about 10 days or so. The new website. So this is going to be like all completely brand new Done For You campaigns, just like redone, up to date types of training or whatnot. Again, for CPA marketing anyway, it really doesn't matter. Like there's shit from 2015 that still works perfectly fine today. Like all the training for Craigslist, like even if you go on a free YouTube channel, like even if you go out to the one where I showed you guys how to do free Done For You, a free training video on Craigslist or whatnot. If you go run that right now, you'll still make thousands of dollars. Is that people think that once that year's over, or if it's been like 2 or 3 years, that that method doesn't work anymore. I don't know who started that, but I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to be doing a lot of videos and such or whatnot, so that's going to take a couple of days. Again, it should take about 10 days to get everything up and running. The reason it was going to take so long is mainly because of the CPA offers. Like my developer, we're working on one right now, and it requires like a couple codes or whatever, like I guess whatever he got to do on his end. So hopefully we can get that up and running, and I can just duplicate that process and then just like plug and drop for different offers or whatever, because then that would be a lot simpler instead of having to do the whole coding process every single time. But we'll see how that goes or whatnot. But once the website is up and running, basically it's going to be focused on affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, things of that nature. And then all my future, e-commerce stuff, all that has been going inside Box Money instead of having everything on the Team D'Angelo website. So this new one is just going to be focusing super hardcore on affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, all that fun stuff. Again, super stoked about having the Oryx network, because then I can make legit my own Done For You campaigns. And as you guys saw from the last video, if you watched that, if it says it converts on an email submit, it converts on an email submit. It's not like, oh, you got 10, 20 people that come and put in their email, and then you get credited for one. You get credited as soon as they put in the email. If you didn't watch that video, definitely make sure you go watch it. That's how you know your CPA network isn't scamming you. Isn't shaving you or whatnot. Basically scamming you, but you guys know what I'm saying. But yeah, everything on the new V2 Team D'Angelo website is going to be moved to the .com website. And then that .com website is going to be moved to the .net website. All right, so that's probably like a month from now. Like once everything's all going, make sure there's like no hiccups or anything along those lines. Once everything is set in stone, perfectly good, then we're gonna move everything over from each step to each step or whatnot. So again, the V2 website, that's going to be the new site with all the Done For You campaigns and all that. Like my goal right now is just to get up a few Done For You campaigns with these brand new offers, because again, no one is going to be running them because they're going to be exclusively to the Oryx network, and you're not going to have to worry about getting shaved and all that fun stuff, right? So once you sign up to the Oryx network, boom, like you can just literally plug and go and start seeing results damn near instantly. As soon as your ad gets approved, boom, you're seeing results. And again, it's brand new offers that no one, like no other CPA network is going to have these offers. So yeah, going to be a little work on my end or whatnot, but you guys will be able to benefit from that. But again, that's going to be moved to the .com site. Then the .com site is going to be moved to the .net site, and then the .net site, I'm probably just going to put that over on a subdomain or something like that. And then so if you're a .com member, you'll still be able to log in, no problem. If you're a .net member, you'll still be able to log in, no problem, and all that stuff, right? So when it comes to the V2 site now, for price-wise and whatnot, it's pretty much going to be set up like how Team DeAngelo was. I mean, the .com site is right now, but I'm just going to like have it more simplified. So like right now, you got Team DeAngelo level 1 and level 2. Well, it's pretty much the same as that thing now that I think about it. It's not how it used to be. I just have like CPA 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then like this one would have 1, 2, 3, and like all that stuff is going to be split up into mainly just 3 instead of having like a few different products. So right now we're going to have on like, let's say level 1, right? That's going to be like the equivalent of level 2 on teamdeangelo.com, right? And then from there, we're also going to have the Google Trends put in this as well. And then from there, there'll be like another one, and then that might just be like, I can't even think of what it was. I had this all played out too in my head. There was one. This is why you write shit down. I ain't even got my damn whiteboard over here right now. It's in the other room. But in a nutshell, there's going to be probably like 1 or 2, it might be like 3 levels. One would be like 250. Then one like legit will be 1,000. That's the one that's going to have the Google Trends stuff in it. And then from there, that'll be like, your full-blown Google Trends stuff. Because, your boy's still keeping that at that 5K mark. Like, that ain't coming down. Like I said, that shit bought my house cash in 10 days. You want that info, you got to pay for that. But yeah, 250, then 500, then 1,000, then 5,000. And that's pretty much it. So most people are just going to focus on this right here. Right? And then once this, makes them a crap ton of money, then they might come and get this or whatever. But this is going to be the main stuff right here. Obviously, I don't expect people to go out and pay the $5,000 for the Google Trends course, like right out the gate. Those are like mainly for like the big boys or whatnot, so to speak. So this right here is really going to be where people are at. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like,